gates often hold the key. You may not understand the meaning of this line now, but at the end of the story, you will get to know what this line was about. So, hey everyone, I'm Kalpana Sharma from class 8, and today I have a story to share that will touch your heart in unexpected ways. It's about a garden, but not just any garden. It's a garden where the most precious flowers are nurtured with a love that goes beyond words. So, once upon a time, there lived a wise old gardener who carefully nurtured a beautiful garden. He spent hours working tirelessly to cultivate the soil, planting seeds, and nurturing each delicate flower. He protected them from harsh winds and patiently waited for them to bloom. One day, a group of young children wandered into the garden. They were captivated by the vibrant colors and fragrances, but they didn't understand the effort that went into creating this beauty. "Look at all these pretty flowers," one child exclaimed. "They seem to magically appear, don't they?" "Of course," another child agreed. "The garden just grows itself." The old gardener smiled gently and said, "It may seem that way, but it takes a lot of care and dedication. I spent countless hours working hard for this garden, ensuring that each plant receives the nourishment it needs to thrive." The children were confused. They asked, "Why do you do it? It seems like a lot of work." The gardener looked at them with kindness and said, "I do it because I love these flowers. I see their potential and I want to help them bloom to their fullest. I want them to bring joy and beauty to the world." The children looked at the garden with renewed appreciation. They began to understand that the beauty they saw was the result of hard work and dedication. Just like the flowers in the garden, each of us has the potential to bloom into something beautiful. Our parents, like the gardener, work tirelessly to cultivate us, means to provide us with the nourishment and support we need to grow. They sacrifice their time, energy, and resources to ensure our well-being and success. It's crucial to recognize and appreciate their efforts. We should strive to make most of the opportunities they provide us, to study hard, to pursue our dreams, and to make them proud of the individuals we become. So, the moral of the story is every smile, every hug, and every encouraging word, these are the seeds of love that our parents plant in our hearts. We should strive to make most of the opportunities they provide us, and we should make use of these opportunities and become the individuals they can be proud of. So now I think that you have understood the meaning of the line that I told in the beginning. It meant that while parents may set rules and restrictions, they ultimately want us to be happy. They provide us with the nourishment and support we need to grow and thrive, and they trust us to make good choices in the future. So embrace the love and guidance of your parents and make a life filled with joy and success. Thank you.